Hey San, met Paul.
Ik had te denken, misschien kunnen we iets om dat thema heen doen.
Echo Park, Los Angeles. Here I'm meeting San Holo.
Kan ook de bas erbij nog doen, als het ware.
DJ, producer, songwriter. Living the life every kid who got their first guitar was dreaming about. Playing epic live shows. Breaking the internet with his Dr. Dre Next Episode remix. Produced a track with Tom Morello. Collaborated with Weezer. Founded his own record label and pioneered in a genre called future bass. But at the core of all this is a guy I call Sander van Dijk.
Sander van Dijk.
A very talented guitar player from a small town in Holland with his own unique view on the instrument. And to the date, most of his work starts out with him and his guitar.
I don't know what that was, but it sounds like...
And what he's about to show me is just so beautiful and so much fun to play. Alright, well, as I'm breaking my thumb, I'm joined by San Holo in the park.
The ducks are coming to harass us. Sorry.
The song is called Worthy.
Worthy.
And there's some interesting stuff going on over there.
It's all really just one simple melody. I love simple melodies, and then changing the chords around it to also change the vibe of the little melody. So the melody is this. That's the melody.
Key of E?
Key of E.
Yeah, okay.
And of course that sounds a little bit boring on its own.
It needs chords? Or maybe
it needs
some...
chords.
Yeah.
So I love drone notes on the guitar. I think we all love that.
What's a drone note?
You know?
It keeps ringing. Okay.
It keeps ringing. Whether it's one or two notes, and you can change the chords, go like the E. To the C sharp minor.
Yeah. And we keep the two strings on top open.
And the A. Yeah. I think that's one of the beautiful things about guitar, the fact that you can. The vibe is so different from playing this. I'll do a speed up version. You know, now it sounds like. Sounds almost like heavenly.
Well, I think the top two strings, they make sure everything feels connected. Like
exactly, yeah.
Lying in the same realm.
It's like the glue.
Yeah.
I love floaty guitars, you know, just like the... And...
Oh, what's that?
I don't know, I just played it. I love that stuff. And
one thing that's interesting with you, I guess, I always hear the semitone step in your playing.
It's my favorite interval.
It is?
Yeah, it's my...
So the semitone is where you have like a C sharp against a D, for example. In this case, probably a D sharp against an E.
Yeah. And I love...
Leading tone.
Yeah, if you just play this on its own, it's almost... You can ask anyone would say that sounds weird, it sounds ugly. It sounds not nice.
No.
But then when you add a beautiful chord to it, or sounds
okay, yeah.
It suddenly becomes something else, and it kind of represents life in a way. You know, it's like life could be this, but life could also be this.
It's the way you look at it.
It's or just time in your life. It's
the
just,
right moment for the right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I love both that interval, just or the major seventh. Same thing, kind of, but then an octave.
Okay, yeah.
This, if you take those chords, like I said, you can play it like this. And like a full C sharp chord would be sounding like.
Yeah.
It sounds so different if you play like. Yeah.
What was the first note you put on top on a C sharp?
It's that major 7.
Ah. Yeah. So it basically becomes a C sharp minor 9 or something.
I think so, yeah. Yes. It just hurts a little bit.
What's up?
Hey!
Ah, that's cool to hear, man. Appreciate it. We're like right in the middle of shooting something. It's cool that you said hi. Cheers. The melody, too basic, you said in the beginning. But
Yeah.
what can we do with it?
We can add the drone. So I was messing around and I realized I could just play it like. That's nice.
Yeah, it's
Sounds
beautiful.
like the glue. I tried to figure out a way to play the melody, still have that glue in there, and also play the bass notes of the chords. And that ends up sounding like this.
Man,
That's kind of the thing.
it looks pretty complicated.
It might look complicated, but if you
If you understand what's happening,
Yeah, it's really just
basically
this.
the chord.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet. That's
That's
pretty.
it.
That's just. It's in the right key. I love it. Let's play with it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's sweet.
Want some ice cream?
You put an accent on the melody notes, and the top note
Yeah.
isn't the melody. That's interesting. Like,
Yeah.
it's the melody, but then you still.
Yeah, but I
But
think
you
because you
use
already
dynamics.
played this as a drone,
Yeah.
it doesn't feel like the melody
new
anymore.
melody,
It
yeah.
feels like the glue on the background.
Yeah.
And I also emphasize the melody, like I play that harder, so
Yeah.
it's a lot of dynamics as well. So even there's a lot of things going on, even strumming and muting this D string at the same time, you know.
Yeah, see. Yeah, so this is with the chords, you do it all together. So we first started with the melody, we added some cool chords to it, we sort of spiced up the melody, we spiced up the chords, and now you did all of those 4 ingredients in one little picking pattern. And
Yeah.
I want to learn how you do that.
You want to learn?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's do it. I don't know. For me, I don't think about it consciously. You know, at some point you just start
Yeah.
doing things. because
Sometimes explaining it is harder than playing
yes,
it. 'Cause you
and
gotta, what am I
sometimes
doing?
even when you start to explain it, it gets harder to play because you're thinking about
Yeah,
what you're playing.
Well, try
So
your best.
I realized I started, so I kind of hit it all.
You strum the entire chord, but the A string and D string are muted with your middle finger, I see,
Yes.
right?
So it's muting, but and with the index finger I mute the D string. So it's. So I strum all the strings and I mute the A and the D string, and then I go.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me try.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
it.
that's just.
Yeah, perfect.
And then the low E keeps ringing.
Yeah.
And that's okay.
And again. Yeah, and I played that one actually here, but you can do it here too. It's
yeah.
fine.
It sounded out of tune though, maybe.
I liked autotune.
It's a bit
Hurts.
pitchy.
That's nice.
It's a bit pitchy. Yeah. Okay, let's
So
try.
what yeah. 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 Exactly. And then I go.
Ah, okay, yeah. So you again, okay, so now we fret the C sharp on the 6th string with the thumb.
Yep.
Like this.
Yep.
And we mute the A and the D string again.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's sweet. Wait a second. You slide up to 13 and you keep the thumb ringing.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Can you do it?
Let me try. How do you mute the A and the D with this chord? With the thumb and the index?
Yeah. It's
Yeah. Okay.
acquired.
Oh,
Yeah. It's a stretcher.
that's sick that you can do that. That's nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's-
you go even one higher.
I could.
Okay, cool,
Sorry.
cool.
I mean, every guitar player has their own little things that,
Yeah.
that's second nature to
If you
them.
play it 20 times, then you got it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so let's pretend I managed to succeed nailing it.
Yeah. And then it's the A after that. So the same melody, go to the A.
Yeah, okay. Like this.
Yep. Yep. And that's it. Basically, that's the whole. I mean, there's a lot of other chords after that, but
Yeah.
for
This
this
is the
video's
main,
sake,
yeah, this is the main phrase. That's
Yeah.
sick. Thank you so much for sharing your wisdom with us, and I'm super excited to learn from different people with different approaches, and your approach is just unique, and I love it. It's amazing.
Thank you.
Emotional playing, vibrant, wholesome. I love it.
I appreciate it.
I'm gonna check you out, listen to your music. It's all linked below. Give them a follow and a thumbs up.
I'll check you out too.
I appreciate it. All right, goodbye.
Nice.